this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos to your SD card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this is easy to do. Swipe up from the bottom and go to search and type in files. Go to My Files here on the top. And your SD card is already listed on here so we can see our SD card. What we want to do is just transfer our images. So go to Images. And then you can find your image under here. Otherwise, you can just hold down on it. And you can just select all on the top right here if you want to select all 184 of them. So I'm just going to do one. And then if you go move, this is going to delete it and then move it over to your new location so it will be removed from here. Or you can copy it. If you copy it, it's going to leave a copy on your phone and then it's going to make a copy on your SD card. So most of the time I just go to move. Then go to SD card on the top. Find your folder location. Otherwise, you can go to the plus icon and you can create a folder just for photos or something like that. So I'm going to go into DCIM is usually where your photos are taken and stored. So I'm going to go to move here. And now it's in that location on my SD card. So I can go to my SD card, DCIM, and here's my screenshot. So you can look at my camera photos too. I got a bunch of them on here. So you can move these around too if you want, just in your SD card. If you accidentally copy them to the wrong location, so you can see that. Or you can just delete them in bulk. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.